Explore the complete guide to Panchakarma, an Ayurvedic healing therapy. If you've been dealing with illnesses, frequent infections, excessive fatigue, or a general sense of low energy, it's time for a thorough body cleanse and rejuvenation. In Ayurveda, maintaining a balance among the body's primary energies, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, is crucial for good health. When these energies become imbalanced, it can negatively impact your health, resulting in the accumulation of toxins that hinder normal bodily functions and contribute to various illnesses. Panchakarma is a holistic Ayurvedic therapy comprising 5 actions. Pancha, designed to cleanse the body of accumulated toxins and promote health restoration. Your physician, after assessing your physical and mental parameters, is best suited to determine the appropriate cleansing procedures for you. The process involves purging toxins through various pathways to achieve the desired cleansing effects. The presence of elevated levels of metabolic toxins in the body can obstruct energy channels, leading to a weakened immune system. Regular removal of toxins is crucial for cleansing and rejuvenating the body, thereby promoting optimal health. Panchakarma treatment in Ayurveda is highly effective in detoxifying the body and facilitating rejuvenation, making it a valuable method for maintaining overall well-being. Panchakarma is recommended for individuals based on their dosha constitution and specific health concerns. Vamana, suitable for those with a kapha-dominant body dealing with respiratory issues, obesity, and mental health issues like stress, anxiety, and depression. Virachana, ideal for individuals with pitta dosha imbalances, experiencing skin and digestive disorders, stomach problems, jaundice, acidity, and liver and kidney health issues. Nasya, beneficial for clearing the head region and providing instant relief through herbal oil and decoction massages on the head and shoulders. Raktamokshana, used to treat diseases caused by impure blood, with a focus on purifying the blood through specific procedures. Basti, often prescribed for complex and chronic diseases, especially those related to Vata disorders, using enemas of herbal oils or decoctions for healing. What are the benefits of Panchakarma? The benefits of Panchakarma include removing toxins and impurities from the body and mind, restoring dosha equilibrium for overall health improvement, optimizing the functions of various bodily systems such as the gastrointestinal, nervous, cardiovascular, respiratory, reproductive, endocrine, and lymphatic systems. To know more about our Ayurveda treatments, reach us at www.chennaiheritagehospital.com or call us at +91 744 81342 to book your consultation today.